Hello friends, welcome to BSR Studies. I am Bala. Today I will explain the continuation of Rrb Maths Trigonometry. So here, before going to trigonometry, first we have to know about the triangles. So what are triangles? It is a three-sided figure. Okay. So it is a three-sided figure, like this it joined. So this is one of this side, and this is one of this side, and this is one of this side. Okay, and it is made by three angles. Okay, so triangle means it is a three-sided, like this it will be there. And the total angles, if I take this is A, and this is B, and this is C. So angle A plus, angle B plus, angle C is 180 degrees. This is very important point. Generally, this point is known as angle sum property. Angle sum property. Okay. So this is called triangle. So how triangle is derived? My question is how triangle is derived, which means first we have to know about what are polygons. Polygons. So write as a table. Number of sides here, number of sides, name. So, if there is no name for one and two sides, from three sides only starting. So, if a polygon with three sides means triangles. Four sides means square, generally square or rectangle also. Five sides, pentagon. Six sides, hexagon. Seven sides, septagon. So these are enough. So it is basing on the number of sides. Okay. So this division is basing on number of sides. And there is no need of differentiating basing on angles. So directly we can continue the triangles topic. So in this triangles, we already learned angle A plus, angle B plus, angle C is equal to 180 degrees. If I take a triangle like this is A, B, C, and it is a three-sided polygon. Three-sided polygon. So in triangles there are three types. Three types basing on sides. So basing on sides, first one is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. So what is equilateral triangle means? If I take a triangle like this, A, B, C, and these are the angles of respect to vertices. So in this equilateral triangle, there are two main properties. First one, angle A plus, angle B plus, angle C is 180 degrees, where angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equals to 60 degrees. Okay, and the sides AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. So these are the two main points. Okay, so this is the equilateral triangle. So this is the first type. And if you see second type, isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. So in this, a triangle with two equal sides or two equal angles. Okay, we can say mainly two equal sides. If AB is equal to AC is not equal to BC. So this is the main property. So if you see third type, scalene triangle. Scalene triangle means with different sides it will be there. AB is not equal to BC, is not equal to CA. Okay, so these are the main properties. So I am going fast because this syllabus is already over. Okay, so in primary classes we can learn this. So this is the triangles topic. Triangles topic. So the next one is, so in this trigonometry, the main triangle used is right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. So it looks like this. So this is the right angle and these are the two acute angles A, B, C. So one of the angle is 90 degrees, other two are acute angles. Other two are acute angles. So this, the opposite to 90 degrees side, opposite to 90 degrees is known as hypotenuse. Hypotenuse, simply HYP. Okay, so this is hypotenuse. And the BC, which is horizontal line. The BC line, horizontal line, is known as base. And the AB, the vertical line, is known as height. Okay, so this is the main topic, right angled triangle. On the basis of right angled triangle, trigonometry depends. So this is the basic introduction and we will continue the main topic. So in trigonometry, the word trigonometry is derived from Greek word, and the Greek word first tri. So TRI means 3. Gono. So this is gono. Gono means sides. Metry means measuring. Okay, so if you see, tri means 3, gono means sides, metry means measuring, which is known as 3-sided measuring. 3 sides measuring, which means a triangle which have 3 sides. Okay, so in this, the main triangle of this trigonometry is right angle triangle. Okay, so this is the Greek word of trigonometry. And if you see, in trigonometry, angles, the first subtopic is angles. So in this, first one is English system. Third second one, French system. French system. Third one is third one is not there. So only normal is there. Normal means like 180 degrees, 90 degrees means me. Okay. So in English system, we have to use like this pi c. Pi c means 180 degrees. And here French system, we have to use the symbol grade G. So if we have to take the coordinate axis, so then we can easily understand. So this is x-axis, sorry, y-axis, y dash, which is negative y-axis, x dash, negative x-axis, x. So the angle should be go like this in anti-clockwise. Okay. So in quadrant 1, this is quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. So these are the quadrants. The French system is measured in grades and the English system is pi c. Okay. So we can know that pi c by 2 means 180 by 2, which is nothing but 90 degrees. Okay. So in this, so in grades, the 90 degrees is written as, in grades, in French system, the 90 degrees is written as 100 grades. Okay, so 180 degrees is written as 200 grades. Okay, so like this, we have to write the grades into grades or English system. The commonly used system is English system because this is very simple to notation. So very important, in examinations they will give like this, pi or pi c. So both are same. So pi value is 180, pi c is also 180. Okay, so in trigonometry, this normal pi is considered as 180 degrees and this pi c is also represented as 180 degrees. Don't think this pi c is known as pi to the power of c. That is exactly wrong. So this is pronunciation as pi c. Okay. So these are the systems of angles. So if I take, for example, in a triangle, one of the angle is two pi c by 3. Okay, so in a triangle, the one of the angle is 2 pi c by 3. Then the sum of remaining angles is. So very simple question. See, in a triangle, so we have to draw a triangle. So they did not give any naming, so like this only we have to draw. So one of the angle is 2 pi c by 3. So 2 pi c by 3 means 2 into 180 degrees by 3. So 3 ones are 360, sir. 60 into 2, 120. So the one of the angle I am taking here 120 degrees. One of the angle is 120 degrees. Then the sum of remaining angles is, we have to subtract from 180 minus 120. They gave one of the angle. So the other two angles is, we have to subtract. So 180 minus 120, 60 degrees. So the remaining two angles sum is 60 degrees. So this is the answer. Okay. So this is one of the example. And దిస్ ఈస్ ద టుడే టాపిక్. ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే ప్లీజ్ లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ డౌట్స్ ప్లీజ్ కమెంట్ ఆన్ ది కమెంట్ బాక్స్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.